Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Before I have to ask you, have you ever keep copy pasting things one by one on your PC and suddenly you realize that the first thing that you copied is gone? Well, guess what? Windows actually does have a clipboard history features, but it's just a bit hidden. So let me show you. All you have to do is press Windows plus V on your keyboard, just like this. Just press Windows plus V like this. So you will get pop-up like this. If this is your first time using it, just click the turn on button that appear. And then from now on, Windows will remember everything you copy, like text, links, or even small files. And then you can open this panel anytime and pick what that you want to paste like this. It's super handy when you're working on documents, emails, or chattings. So yes, no more losing copied stuff again. Just try it now. Just press Windows plus V on your keyboard and you will get your clipboard history. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!